Hello guys, this is me Anand Kanayash. Today I'm gonna show you three AI apps which can make 3D models. So let's go. Our first number one model maker, 3D model maker is Rodin. R-O-D-I-N, Rodin. It is owned by Hyper 3D. And here is Rodin. Then you have to sign in. Well, I'm using my mom's account. So let's go. Rodin has actually many models which is made by AI. And this is DCC Bridge. You have to first download the plugin and connect it. Connection might not be happen if you don't open it. Whatever you're using Blender for your animation or something, or Unreal for your game, or Unity for your game, or Godot for your game, and C for D for your game. No, I mean for your animation, Maya for your animation. I don't know what is this. Well, anyway, let's get into Rodin. So you can just upload a simple image, and it will have many of them. And here it may take long. And here my model which is made by Rodin with this. First it will generate and you have to confirm it for the material. Then you have to generate the material and confirm the material, and you can download it or send it to Sketchfab or DCC, which is actually DCC Bridge, or just download it. And you can keep what you're gonna download and geometry, symmetric, simple, or game ready. So next in our and second in our list is Tripo AI Studio. It's another type of it. Well, it has DCC Bridge too, but connecting it, you can install the plugin for free, but connecting might need a subscription. And actually you can use type by, you can use type to do it, or use the image. And if you upload models, your credits might go, you might earn credits. And now third in our list is Meshi AI. And I'm gonna say why did I place Tripo at the second? Due to too much premium features. So that's why. And now let's go to Meshi AI. It's the third one, but I might want to set it to first and third. I don't know what. And you can see in my assets, you can even rig, but rigging can be hard because it will give you where to put the dots into the places. And I've made these. So with Meshi AI. Even my dad wants to use this Meshi AI. So that's all for today. And get my plastic bottle and download this for free. And this is actually Rodin made me this. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. And my views are actually a bit stupid, but you guys can help me to earn money. If someone comments a heart, I will be happy, and subscribe to your channel. I'll try to check. Bye guys. See you later. Bye.